Hello! This series of videos will guide you through how to use some basic Weebly elements with a couple of structure elements thrown in. You will learn how to add text, images, and other various elements to your site pages. Animations will be provided for reference, and as always, you know where to go to review a concept that you have missed, and also you're more than welcome to pause these videos at any time. If you're following along with the course, then you're sitting on the home page. Your home page does not have any text typed in, however, it does have areas already set for you to be able to edit. You will notice that we have included a title in the title area of Jane Doe's digital portfolio. We typed in a welcome, and we typed in basically an identifier of why this portfolio exists. There's also a button located on your first page, your home page, and we've already linked that to our resume and references. We'll get into how to do that in a later video. In these areas, the drag and drop has already been done for you. So you'll simply click on these areas and begin editing your text. When you click on one of these areas to edit your text, you will notice that you have some options to bold, italicize, underline, increase the text size, decrease the text size, change the color of the text, and even link the text, how you're going to align your text, and then to undo some formatting. There's also going to be an image that's default on this page. When you hover over that image, you have the option to edit the image. If you choose to edit the image, you are allowed to add an image from your computer. And then you have some options for whether you want to add text there instead. You'll be able to change how the image looks. Do you want to put a blur on it? And various other options. You can play with that, but for right now, I'm going to leave the image as it is. When you are in the Weebly page build area, you can actually use your navigation bar to navigate throughout your site. We want to go to the About Me page so we can discuss images, text, and titles. So simply click on the About Me button, and you will be taken to that page. You can see this page is much more blank than how your home page was already set up from Weebly. Now to use these basic Weebly elements located over here in the Basic Weebly Elements area, they're simply drag and drop. To drag and drop, choose the element that you would like, click on it, and drag it to the area that you would like for it to be, and release the button. When you do that, depending upon whether you've done a title or text, you would simply, like we did on the home page, click that text and begin editing. If it is an image, as we can see here with the upload image, you would simply click on that image, and it gives you the option to drag a photo here or upload one from your computer. To upload one from your computer, simply click on the Upload a Photo from Your Computer button and choose the file you would like to add. Weebly will insert that image for you. Though they are not in the basic elements, but rather in the structure elements, dividers and columns are great for organizing the look of your page, and they are located here within the structure elements. They do exactly as their name suggests. A divider puts a nice dividing line between the content you have added, and columns allow you to add columns to your page to put content side by side. With columns, you also have the option to change the number of columns up to 5 and the spacing, which is how close your content is to the column dividing line. By clicking on the columns or hovering over them, you will see the editing show up here, just like any other element. If at any point you would like to delete an element that you have added, simply click on the element or hover over it, and you will see an X appear. If you click on the X, it will ask you if you're sure you want to delete, and you would simply click delete. That element has now been deleted. As you can see, the divider is no longer there. Always remember, when you add content to a page, publish, publish, publish. You do this by clicking the orange Publish button in the upper right-hand corner of the building area as seen here. Finally, be sure to check out the About Me page of the course located here for some helpful hints on what to include on your own About Me page.